Starting to write an assignment. Kaya, Dr. Carla here, and I'm here to help you write your latest assignment, 1,000 words on exploring the multiple factors involved in providing quality healthcare in rural and regional Australia. And you've chosen the topic, type 2 diabetes. So the very first thing you need to do is find out what the essay will be scored on. And to do that, we need to carefully examine the assignment rubric. This rubric shows the assignment is worth 20% of the final grade and tells us there are 4 main criteria to be assessed, with a maximum score of 5 marks for each one. It also clearly describes what each score represents. The first area assesses the quality of the information provided in your assignment and its relevance to the assignment topic. By reading the content in the table, we can see what is expected and what the different minimum criteria are, like appropriate use of paraphrasing, summarising and synthesising. And remember, even sticking to the word count of 1,000 words is important so as not to lose marks. We can also see that academic writing is assessed, and the rubric even gives areas we need to think about, like formal academic style, precise and concise language, accurate grammar, etc. Now, you need to find some relevant information, and I highly recommend you start with no more than 3 or 4 sources, like journal articles, book chapters, or government documentation. More than 3 or 4 can make you feel overwhelmed. So when you have found your articles, remember, you don't even need to read the whole thing. First of all, look for the most important topics, and that can be often found in the abstract. As you read the abstract, you can highlight topics in different colours, so when you continue to read through the paper, you can use the same colour coding to highlight these topics. In fact, you usually won't need to read more than the title, abstract, introduction, discussion and conclusion anyway. And by the way, journal articles are not easy to read. You will often need to read each section a number of times to understand what's being discussed. Don't worry, we all go through the same process. By using something like this note-taking template, you can start to make your topic-focused notes. You will need to add the journal or book information in the sections at the top, so you can reference and cite these later. You can use the left column to add your highlighted topics and then start to make notes from the article in the body of the table. Start with the paraphrasing or summarising process in the table rather than copy and paste sections from the original text. In some cases, you may decide to provide a direct quote from the article, but be careful, we don't use many quotes in our essay writing. After following the same procedure with your 3 to 4 articles, you can compare your notes and start to decide how you want to structure your essay based on your chosen topics. Okay, next time we'll have a look at how to bring this information into our essay. So take care and study hard.